In a world racing toward constant innovation and ever-increasing complexity, the Amish choose a different path, one rooted in simplicity, faith, and self-reliance. While much of society is swept up in the latest technology and trends, the Amish remain grounded in values that have guided their communities for generations. Their horse-drawn buggies and handmade homes aren't just tradition. They're intentional choices that keep their communities close-knit and their impact on the earth small. These choices reflect a deep commitment to living within their means and fostering strong relationships with neighbors and family. Amish life is built on producing what they need: food, clothing, shelter, all crafted by their own hands. Every meal, every garment, and every home is a testament to their dedication and resourcefulness, connecting them to the land and to each other in meaningful ways. This self-sufficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about independence and resilience, insulating them from fragile supply chains and the uncertainties of the outside world. By relying on their own skills and resources, the Amish create a sense of security and stability that is rare in modern life. Children learn by working alongside parents, absorbing not just practical skills but also the values of hard work, cooperation, and responsibility. These lessons are woven into daily life, shaping the next generation from an early age. Their farms are classrooms, workplaces, and sanctuaries, places where practical knowledge and respect for nature are passed down. Here, learning is hands-on, and every task is an opportunity to grow in wisdom and character. By limiting fossil fuels and modern machinery, the Amish maintain a remarkably low environmental footprint. Their careful stewardship of the land ensures that it remains healthy and productive for future generations. Their philosophy, Gelassenheit, guides them to live humbly, find joy in simplicity, and prioritize the health of their land and community. In every aspect of life, the Amish demonstrate that true fulfillment comes not from abundance, but from purpose, connection, and gratitude. For the Amish, farming is much more than just a way to make a living. It is a sacred calling, an act of stewardship entrusted by God and passed down through generations. Every seed planted and every field tended is seen as a form of devotion, a daily practice of faith and action. They view the land as a precious gift to be nurtured and protected, not exploited for short-term gain. This belief shapes every decision, from the crops they choose to plant, to the way they care for their livestock, and even how they rotate their fields to keep the soil healthy for future generations. Instead of relying on modern chemicals and heavy machinery, the Amish embrace natural, regenerative methods. Horse-drawn plows, manual tools, and crop rotation are all part of their commitment to working in harmony with nature, rather than against it. This isn't a rejection of technology out of ignorance, but a conscious, thoughtful choice to protect the health of their soil, the purity of their water, and the well-being of their entire community. Their methods are rooted in both tradition and a deep respect for the environment. Amish farms are designed as holistic systems, where fields, forests, animals, and people are all interconnected. Each element supports the others, creating a balanced and resilient ecosystem that can thrive for years to come. By living off-grid, avoiding electricity, and relying on local production and distribution, the Amish drastically reduce their carbon footprint and dependence on outside resources. Their approach to sustainability shows that it isn't about sacrifice or deprivation, but about choosing different priorities, valuing community, health, and the land above convenience. For the Amish, true wealth is not measured in money or possessions, but in healthy land, strong families, and vibrant communities that work together and support one another. Their way of life stands as a living example of practical, everyday environmentalism, showing that caring for the earth can be woven into the fabric of daily life, and that small, mindful choices can have a lasting impact for generations. Healthy soil is the heart of Amish farming, maintained through time-honored crop rotation. By rotating corn, oats, and nitrogen-fixing legumes like clover, they naturally replenish soil nutrients and break pest cycles. This method eliminates the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, protecting both crops and the environment. Amish farmers observe and nurture the land, adding compost and manure to build rich, living soil. Their approach is patient and sustainable, contrasting sharply with industrial agriculture's extractive mindset. Every field is managed with care, ensuring fertility for generations. The Amish are not soil miners, they are soil builders. Their legacy is land that grows stronger, not weaker, with each passing year. On Amish farms, animals are vital partners in a closed-loop system. Livestock graze on pasture, spreading manure that's composted and returned to the fields as natural fertilizer. Chickens follow cattle, breaking down manure and controlling pests, while crop residues become bedding and feed. This cycle eliminates waste and the need for synthetic inputs, turning every byproduct into a resource. Animals are treated humanely, given space, fresh air, and a natural diet, resulting in healthier livestock and land. The Amish see animal welfare and farm health as inseparable. Food scraps feed pigs and chickens, closing the loop even further. Nothing is wasted. Everything serves a purpose. Ethical treatment and agricultural efficiency go hand in hand on the Amish farm. The Amish growing season ends with a flurry of food preservation, canning, drying, and storing every bit of the harvest. Canning is a community event, filling shelves with jars of summer's bounty to last through winter. Drying fruits, herbs, and corn requires little energy and preserves nutrition, connecting them to the rhythms of the seasons. Every scrap is valued, nothing is thrown away. This approach fosters seasonal eating and deep gratitude for the land's gifts. The Amish avoid packaging, preservatives, and food waste, relying on skills passed down through generations. Their pantries are a testament to self-reliance and respect for nature's cycles. Preserving food is not just practical, it's a celebration of abundance and community. Amish wisdom isn't just for rural communities, it's a guide for anyone seeking sustainability, no matter where you live. The Amish have long thrived by working in harmony with nature, and their time-tested methods can inspire us all to live more thoughtfully and intentionally. Start by composting kitchen scraps and yard waste, turning what would be trash into garden gold. Composting not only reduces landfill waste, but also enriches your soil, making your plants healthier and your harvests more abundant. Even a small bin on a balcony can make a difference. Practice crop rotation, even in small gardens or raised beds, to maintain soil health and reduce pests naturally. Rotating what you plant each season helps prevent disease buildup and keeps your garden thriving year after year. Embrace seasonal eating, buy local produce, preserve what you can, and savor the unique flavors of each season. Visit farmers markets, join a CSA, or grow your own to enjoy food at its freshest and most nutritious. Learn simple skills like canning, pickling, or drying herbs to reduce waste and reconnect with your food. These traditional methods help you enjoy your harvest all year and cut down on packaging and food waste. These small steps mimic Amish principles, closing loops, building resilience, and fostering gratitude for the food on your table. Involving your family or community can make the process even more rewarding. You don't need acres of land, just a willingness to get your hands dirty and rethink your relationship with food. Even a few pots on a windowsill can be the start of something meaningful. By adopting these practices, anyone can move toward a more sustainable, fulfilling life, one rooted in connection, care, and the simple joys of growing and sharing food. The Amish way of life is more than a relic. It's a blueprint for resilience in a changing world. Their regenerative farming system produces food while healing the land, showing that sustainability is about systems, not single solutions. Integration of crops, animals, and people creates a symbiotic, self-sustaining cycle. We don't need to live exactly like the Amish, but we can question our habits and adopt their principles. Composting, gardening, and supporting local farmers are small steps with big impact. The Amish remind us that the earth is a gift, not a commodity, and our future depends on caring for it. Their example lights the way to a more connected, responsible, and enduring future.